Who doesn't like grilled marinated meat on a stick? Chicken satay actually originated in Java, Indonesia, but there are so many variations from other Southeast Asian countries such as Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and even the Philippines. Satay can actually be made from various meats like pork, beef, lamb, even seafood like shrimp and squid. In the Philippines, satay is referred to as inihaw, or by the generic English name, barbecue, which is what we're most familiar with seeing as pork on a stick glazed with a sweet and savory marinade. Ugh, it's so good. Chicken is my least favorite meat when it comes to a main dish. I don't know, it just doesn't do it for me. I'm more of a beef and pork kind of gal. But when I do eat chicken, I always go for the juiciest part of the chicken, them thighs. It has the most flavor and isn't as easy to overcook like chicken breasts. The only chicken dishes I'll probably never get tired of are chicken satay and fried chicken. Because I mean, come on, I'm Filipino. Oh, and I do love chicken in a salad too. I don't think I'll ever get tired of that. I prefer my chicken satay very simple, without any curry, coconut milk, or other spices. In my opinion, there's enough umami flavor from the coconut aminos that becomes accentuated by the ginger, lemon, and peanut butter. It's such a great balance of delicious, mouth-watering flavors and will turn the hearts and stomachs of any non-chicken lover. Even me.